Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs muffins, easy method. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and spray a 12-cup muffin tin, then chop fillings into bite-sized pieces and shred the cheese. Whisk 8 eggs with 1/4 cup milk, season lightly, and stir in fillings so each cup gets similar amounts. Pour mixture into cups about 3/4 full, then bake until set and lightly golden for 18 to 22 minutes. Try combinations that suit your taste and schedule to keep breakfast interesting and nutritious. Cook meats ahead to save time, and squeeze out excess moisture from vegetables so muffins stay firm. Use a mix of cheeses to boost flavor and meltiness, and season with paprika, Italian herbs, or hot sauce for a personal touch. These muffins freeze well, so make a big batch for quick reheating during busy mornings. To get consistent results, rotate the pan halfway through baking if your oven has hot spots, and let muffins cool slightly in the tin to set. Use silicone liners for easy removal or grease well if using metal tins. Reheat frozen muffins in the microwave or oven until steaming, and add a splash of milk before reheating to keep texture soft. Enjoy these for meal prep or a grab-and-go breakfast option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.